So there's sneakers, and then there's luxury sneakers. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Fit Man Style channel. My name is Ian, and today's sponsor video is brought to you by Koio. Koio is a brand that offers luxury sneakers and boots. Now, when I hear luxury, there's a few things I look for. One, quality. What were the materials used to make the product? Two, if I'm gonna buy something in the luxury category, I expect it to be comfortable. Three, I'm not much of a flashy luxury guy. I'm more of a quiet luxury guy, so something that is minimalistic. And four, since it's luxury, what's the price point? What's the affordability of the product? Is it expensive? Is there a stigma that anything that's luxury is expensive? Or is there something totally different that makes a product luxury? Well, they sent me 2 sneakers, so without further ado, let's open what they sent and we'll go from there. So this is an Italian brand, handmade in Tuscany. The upper and the inner lining of the sneaker is made from Italian cowhide that is LWG, or Leather Working Group certified. What that means is the leather that was used to make these sneakers were produced in a very responsible way. The sole is 100% rubber. And you can see this nice stitching that's going all the way around, making it water resistant. It comes with wax laces, and the insoles are Ortholite hybrid. I'm gonna talk about those in the comfort section of this video. Now I'm taking a look at my sneaker collection here, and I don't have anything here that is as minimal and as versatile as these Capri and the Mocha. I have sneakers here that I can only wear to the gym, or I can only wear with jeans, but these ones I can wear with joggers, chinos, jeans. If you're the type to wear sneakers with suits, definitely suggest the Capri in triple white for a couple reasons. Wearing suits with an all white sneaker gives you a very clean look, and those type of sneakers are low top sneakers. I cannot stand seeing suits with high top sneakers. Stop wearing your suits with high top sneakers. But all in all, I really like how minimal this shoe is. You can't really see the brand of it. It's on the tongue of the shoe, but my pants will be covering that. It's also on the back of the shoe as well. Again, my pants will be covering that, so you don't really know what I have on. There's no logo on the sides, so I like how minimal this shoe looks. So price point, looking at $295 retail, so almost $300. Now, is that a lot for some folks? Sure, but I've actually seen more expensive sneakers out there in the luxury category. What are you getting with that? A shoe that's handmade, The leather that they use, you can tell it's really great quality. And y'all just gotta take my word for it. These shoes feel very comfortable. And it may seem like I'm just saying that because this video is sponsored, but watch other YouTube videos of this brand by folks who were not sponsored, and they're saying the same thing. I'm looking at the website right now, and the price is $236 because they have a sale going on, so you can catch them on a sale at that price, or you can use my discount code that I'm gonna put down here so you can get it at a much cheaper price. All right, y'all, thank you for checking out this video. I appreciate it. Shout out to Koio for sending these sneakers over. You got your classic, just focus, there you go. Got your classic all white sneaker. I think every man should have one pair in their wardrobe, regardless of your sense of style, whether you're streetwear or classic men's style. Everyone needs a classic all white sneaker in their wardrobe, and these are pretty cool. And then you got this, another awesome looking shoe. If you can just focus for me, thank you. There you go. I mean, this is just beautiful. It's just different. I haven't seen anything like this. Can you imagine the monochrome outfits that you can wear with an all chocolate brown shoe? Like, this is beautiful. So, yeah, shout out to Koio for sending these over. I appreciate it. Let me know down in the comments if you heard of Koio before, if you've tried them before. I'm going to make sure to put in the description the link and the discount code so you can check them out at a discounted price, or the other shoes that they have. They got some really nice high tops there, and I think I saw some boots there too. So, again, thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one.